Hello and welcome back to my channel where we capture my adventures and talk about outdoor gear. Today we have BattlBox Mission number 99. We're getting close to 100. So, let's see. I always forget them side things. So, we got a card like we normally do. So 99 Adventure Delivered. As always, we have a quick intro to what we have, as well as a comment about from the team, and then they break down their stuff. They usually have a small ad in the back as well as some information. So let's get started. The first item I can see are gear ties by Night Eyes. And these are different. They are looped. So you can loop them, cinch them, and then reusable. They are strong. They've got a wire in them that allows you to bend them to shape, as you can see, and bend them back. Use them for everything, for holding tarps and ropes together, to hanging things, or just putting your pack back together. They are for indoor or outdoor use. They've got the strong wire, like I said, in the middle. They've got a rubber coating. I have a bunch of these in different sizes, but none with the loops here on the end, so I'm really interested to check those out. Next item appears to be a bag of some sort. So, take a look at that. This is a organizer bag by Roaring Fire. So, as you can see, it's got a nice little pocket here in the front. Got some areas for you to strap some gear in, strap some gear down, place for you to put some patches if you want. It's got a nice hauler cord. Let's see, nope, these two are not up, so got some more strapping options here in the front, so you can probably put it onto a MOLLE system. Take a look on the inside. So this is a nice little organizer. Again, we got some pockets here on the inside. We've got some big straps. We've got some little straps. Got a carry case. You can easily put some loops on the inside for strapping down information. So this could be used for your everyday carry case or travel case or first aid kit, a place to stick some wires. Always handy to have an organizer. Oh. Ooh, this seems interesting. Okay. There's BattlBox on it. Is there anything with an explanation? No. So let's check out our handy book for some more information. So this is the BattlBox camping tripod. So idea is you make a makeshift tripod for over your heating source by sticking 3 green sticks in the holes, creating your tripod. And then it says you basically take the wire, get it all untangled first. Always lovely when it's up. There we go. So you feed the hook through, and you basically lower it down to the height you want, and you stick the big pin through the top here. You stick this through to keep it from going down any further. You would easily wrap that up over the top. So, I don't know how well you can really see that. But basically, it's for hanging your pot over the fire. And you don't want to have to carry a huge tripod into the back. Don't know that I would carry that backpacking, but it would be a handy tool to have if I'm only going a couple of miles in. It's not super heavy, and the case is nice. So that's interesting. Never even thought about doing something like that. So, and then I'm looking for one more item in here for the basic box, and that is Bleed Stop. It is basically a powder that you put over to instantly clot the blood. What's nice about this one that I've not seen on other products similar to this is that this one says I can use it on people with blood thinners too. So basically you open it up, you spread it out, pour it onto the wound, and then apply pressure, and it instantly clots the wound. So always handy to have, especially for those of us who are in the backwoods using axes and hatchets and things of the like. So the next item for the advanced box is the K100 pocket knife from, what's the name of the company who makes this? Tatika. So, take a look. Ooh, snazzy packaging. I don't. Kind of stiff. That is a cool looking blade. Super sharp out of the box, which is handy. I love this colored thumb switch. It'll probably get better. It's got a standard inline lock. It's still kind of stiff. I'm sure that'll loosen up after use. Got this drop point blade, which I'm always a fan of that shape. The scales have got a texture to them that'll make it so it sits really nice in the hand and no worry about slippage. It ain't going anywhere. It's got no belt clips, so this is a true pocket knife. It does have a metal tip on so that you can hang it from a lanyard. Let's see if they say any other information in the box. So, liner lock, thumb studs. It's got the lanyard key, corkscrew, G10 handles, Tonto style blade. So, and it's solid D2 steel. So, that is the Tactica K100. So, this next item for the Pro box, which is the level I am at, is a Bushnell cellular core trail cam connected to AT&T. The first 30 days, I guess, are free. Sends images to your phone. So these are a standard trail cam from what I can see. It's got night range. It's got an extended battery life. So it's got your standard strapping for putting it on. antenna out of the box. So it's got your standard on and off and wake ups. It's got the card reader right there, so I guess you can use it with a card without needing to hook it up. And then battery pack. Wow, that's like the battery pack. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a dozen double A's. So that is something to keep in mind. That seems like about the standard for most of the trail cams I've seen in the past. So, the thing about this one is it is hooked up to a cellular network, so you don't have to go out there and get it. At the same time, I'm sure it can be used without the cellular network. I'll have to read on that. But usually they can be used without the cellular network. I can just go grab the card. So, and then, oh, it does. So, what's nice is they have included a 32 gigabyte card for the trail cam, so I don't have to go buy one or use one of the ones I already have. So, that is super handy. So, review. Today, the basic box contained the BattlBox camping tripod set, the roaring fiber, what they call the ember pouch, your organizing pouch, the bleed stop. Says it's right here. It says 20 grams, and then the Night Eyes loopable 2-pack of twist ties, the 24-inch. The advanced box came with the Tactica K100 pocket knife, and the Pro box came with the Bushnell cellular trail cam. So, if this type of thing interests you, look up BattlBox. Each month they have kind of a theme, and they send you a bunch of products around that. And they're coming up on 100, which I'm hoping that box is super special. You can go to battlebox.com to learn more about their subscription packages. They do have 4 levels: the basic box, the advanced box, the Pro box, and then the Pro Plus, often referred to as the Knife of the Month Club, because you always get a additional knife with the Pro Plus box. If this interested you, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video out with others. In the meantime, have fun outside, and we'll see you on trail.